Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're a subscriber by now. If not, please hit the bell icon right now. This video is about how to use MARROW application effectively and in the best way possible to boost your preparation, to boost your scores for NEET PG 2025. I've already laid out a plan for NEET PG 25 using the MARROW app, and the link of the video will be given in the description and right here on top. Okay, what you need to do, how do you use it to the best possible way? Firstly, you need to create your own study plan. When will the first revision end? When will be the syllabus ending? When is the second revision? And how many days for the last revision? I've already created a plan that is broadly created for all of you. But if you want to get a custom plan done for yourself, you can fill the Google form down below in the description and we will reach out to you and we will help you ace the NEET PG 25 journey. Now, leveraging the video lectures to your advantage. MARROW has beautiful lectures, they are well timed. You can plan very well because the speed of teaching is very balanced. So you can plan well in advance as to how much time it is taking for you to complete a particular subject. You do not need to watch each and every video, but you need to plan which videos to do and which videos you don't need to do. How do you do that? You can do that based on PYTs, but a particular strength and weakness analysis would be best for you. That's how we do it for our students at EyeConic. You need to make notes of those videos as well. There are already printed notes available in the market for the MARROW app. Okay, you can buy those, but those notes also you have to concise them, you have to concentrate them into your own handwritten notes so that they are revisable in the end. Because these printed notes also will not be revisable in the last 10-15 days because these are also very bulky. So you need to condense these notes into your own handwritten notes. The Q bank is just beautiful and you need to maximize and use it to your advantage. You need to do the custom modules really well. The feature is fantastic. Select tags NEET PG and EyeConic, that is recent aims for beginning. Once you get above 80%, you need to select a few more tags like clinical, case scenario based, image based. These are a few tags that you can add to further elevate your preparation. You should definitely do 50 questions from the subject you are reading and 50 questions from all 19 subjects, that is mixed bag, on a daily basis, at least in the start of your preparation, 100 questions a day. And 1 month after you have done it, you need to amp it up to 100 in the morning and 100 in the night. I would want you to begin your day with solving 100 mixed bag questions so that it gives you a overall as to how your preparation is going throughout the year. And this is to be done till the end of preparation. You can use the GTs. The GTs are beautiful. The explanations are even better. The purpose of the GT is to learn those 200 topics when you review the GT. It's not like you will do the GTs only when you have finished the syllabus. GTs have to be consequently given while you are preparing as well. Every 15 days in the start of your preparation, and after a couple of months you need to give one GT at least every week. By the end of preparation, you should have given at least 18 to 20 GTs. That's the minimum that we would want you to do. See, 18-20 GTs means at least 3600 questions, at least 3000 topics that the teachers are considering very high yield for you. So giving GTs is really important and reviewing is even more important. Next point is revising your content very strategically. You need to finish your syllabus once in the next 3 months and then do a 60-day or a 45-day revision. Probably a 45-day revision would be better. Next revision in the 20 days and the last one in the last 10 days. So that's how you need to do it. The most important thing from my side would be creating your My Notebook. The My Notebook would include SWTs, your GT analysis, your daily custom modules, and whatever you feel while reading that you won't remember and would require multiple revisions. My Notebook has to be created. The samples will be shared in the WhatsApp group. You would want to join the WhatsApp group, we also do custom modules daily over there. So please join it and receive the advantage of personalized questions created by me through custom modules on Marrow. The students over there do that daily, and I would advise you to do that daily. Focus on image-based questions more and integrated learning, because the paper is going more towards a combined approach rather than a subject-specific approach. For that, you can use Marrow Pearls as well, and keep taking screenshots of the things you find hide and keep revising them. That's all from my side. If you need more guidance, my number is 9116324253. I repeat, 9116324253. Just DM me on WhatsApp, "Hi sir, I need guidance," and we will reach out to you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're a subscriber by now. Thank you.